Birds do not pee in the traditional sense, as they lack bladders and do not produce liquid urine. Why they do not pee? I'll explain in detail. They excrete nitrogenous waste as a concentrated white paste called uric acid, which is mixed with fecal matter and released together from a single opening called the cloaca. The white paste in bird droppings is uric acid, that is the waste from kidneys, while the darker part is feces. Birds do not have a bladder to store urine, which helps them stay lightweight for flight. One more reason I will tell you here: uric acid requires very little water to eliminate, allowing birds to conserve water and manage weight better than liquid urine could. There are some exceptions. Some birds, such as hummingbirds, may release liquid waste due to their high water, sugar heavy diet. Many birds also cough up containing indigestible food parts like bones or fur. Isn't the information amazing? If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.